Hey!
Oh man. And today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make origami Among Us Ghost. So let's get started. For getting started, you need a square shaped paper. If you don't have any square shaped paper and have a rectangular shaped paper, then you can make a square shaped paper from that rectangular paper in this way. If you already have a square sheet paper, you can skip this step. Okay, make the crease and you can tear this part with your hand or cut this part with scissors. Okay, now you will have the perfect square sheet paper. Make the crease like this and like this. So, make the crease. Now you have two creases that intersect each other at the center point. Now bring the four corners to the center point like this. Make the creases like this and like this, and then you have to unfold and flip the paper, and we have to take this part and line it with this part and make the crease. Now with this crease, we have to attach it with this crease, center crease. Take this part too, this crease at the center crease. Okay, now take this part inside and make the crease. And now fold this triangle right here like this and push it inside. Okay, this part is the back. Fold this part to this crease, this corner, the middle too. Fold this part so it's round shaped bit. Backpack too. And now fold this part to the middle and this part too. And now fold it towards the left side, towards the backpack, like this. And fold this part. And yeah, your origami Among Us Ghost is done. If you guys enjoy the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon. Bye!